Hello viewers, this is Attorney Gehi, and now we are going to discuss about the D visa. What is the D visa? The D visa is meant for individuals who work in the airline industry or in the shipping industry. For example, if you're a flight attendant, if you're a pilot, or if you're a technician, or if you're a musician, and if you're working in the airline sector, and if you intend to board an airline, and if you intend to work on that particular airline, and that's the visa what you need to get is from the United States consulate. What is the D visa exactly? The best way for me to do this is to explain by means of an example. You are a flight attendant and you want to come to the United States right now to actually join your particular airplane over here, and your plane is actually in the United States. Or if you are in a foreign country and you want to come in and join the ship over here and you're a captain of that ship. The law requires you, American law requires that you prove firstly that you are a captain of the ship by showing the appropriate documentation at the consulate when you go for an interview. You also need to show a non-immigrant intent, which means that you definitely intend to go back and live in your home country. How do you prove that? You need to show your tax returns, you need to show that you own a house and that you're definitely going to be working for the ship and you do not intend to permanently reside in the United States. And if you meet these factors, and if you're a member of the airline industry, or if you're coming to work on an aircraft, or if you're a member of the shipping industry and if you want to join a ship, then you can be eligible for a D visa. D visa has some very, very, very important restrictions. You cannot change your status in the United States when you come in on a D visa. Even, for example, if you're considering getting married to an American citizen, or if you find another employer in the United States who's even ready to sponsor you for an H-1B visa, which is commonly referred to as the work visa in the United States, the bad news is for you is that you cannot change your status in the United States. This means that you will have to leave the United States, go back to your country, and do whatever you want. Sometimes you may come to the United States and you may fall in love with this beautiful woman out here who's an American citizen, and you may say that my American dream is accomplished now, and even if I'm going to overstay the visa and I'm going to get my green card. Sorry, my friend, you're completely wrong. If you overstay your visa, or even if you're applying for change of status, the bad news is that you cannot apply for your change of status in the United States. You will have to leave the United States and go for consular processing. Then only you can come back to the United States. Once again, the D visa is meant for individuals who are members of the airline industry and the shipping industry generally. And if you're intending to work on the airline as a flight attendant, or if you're going to be a pilot, or if you're a crew member, for example, if you're a technical person on the airline, or if you're a technical person on a ship, or if you are actually a chef who's going to join the ship, or if you're going to be a painter on a ship, the D visa can be appropriate for you. Remember some very, very important requirements of the D visa. You cannot change your status in the United States. So the message is very clear: do not overstay your D visa, especially because you will never be able to qualify under the current law. But if you have already overstayed your visa in the United States at this particular point of time, and if you're married to an American citizen, and if you have children, you may become eligible for some kind of relief, because under the new program, which we're expecting to be out very soon, you may be able to proceed for consular processing. But at this particular point of time, the answer is very clear: do not overstay on your D visa. If you need any further information, the good news is that we have a book, and the name of my book is Immigration for Everyone, and this has been written by me, and this is also available on Amazon, or you can go on our website at www.immigrationforeveryone.com, and you can get a full grasp of the D visa. This is Attorney Gehi. We'll be back again with some more important news for you from the world of law. In the meanwhile, if you want to come in and see us, if you have any further immigration questions, we service clients from all over the United States and the world. You can call us at 718-263-5999.